Lesson 2. Concatenation. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads and the docs on the right become our guide. You will pack A, B and 2-bit 0, 0 into Y with curly brace concatenation. Write the concata sign, simulate the packed bus, and confirm pass. Concatenation uses braces to pack expressions left to right into one vector. Brace A, B joins them. Brace 2 of A replicates. You can also append a constant like 2-bit 0, 0. Here Y is 6 bits. A, then B, then 2 zeros on the right. Inputs A and B feed one assign that builds the wider Y bus. Your TODO is the concatenation inside the braces in design.v. Type A, B, 2 bits 0, 0 inside the braces, then save with Ctrl S. Those edits are in. Open simulation and press Run. The log shows packed Y values like 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, then pass. In Surfer, right-click the TB score and add the signals. On Surfer, watch A, B, and Joy update together as the packed bus. Open Synthesis and run Yosys to see the concat wiring. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review. 1 assign Y equals A, B, 2-bit 0, 0. The test bench walks a few AB pairs and prints Y in binary. That is concatenation. See you in the next lesson.